Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shutdown button to iPhone home screen. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and scroll down and you're going to go ahead and look for a shortcut. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the plus sign right here. And I'm going to go ahead and look for shutdown. So you're going to go ahead and click that one. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click this one and then tap the rename right there and then just go ahead and name this one shutdown. If you want to say turn off, that's also fine. And once you're done with that, you want to click it again and then click add to home screen. Now, once you're here, I'd like you to take a look at this one. Do some changes here. You can add symbol and change that color symbol. So once you're done, just go ahead and tap on the add right here. And you are going to see that now it is already in our home screen. So yeah, that is how you're going to add shutdown button on iPhone.